if you're suffering from constant, excessive sneezing, runny nose block and nose itching, you probably have allergic rhinitis. The next question that comes is, can it be the cause for this allergic rhinitis? In short, not really. When your problem is purely allergic rhinitis, the cause will predominantly be something in the air. So something like a dust mite or pollen, molds, animal dander actually, and even insects. Isolated food-induced allergic rhinitis is very, very rare. However, allergic rhinitis symptoms can occur if you are allergic to a certain foods, but it will always occur along with the food allergy symptoms, like itching all over the body, rashes all over the body, swelling of the lips, swelling of the face, itching in your oral cavity, and maybe even difficulty to breathe if it gets very severe and you may need to visit a hospital. But just allergic rhinitis being caused by a food is very, very rare. So do consult your allergy specialist and then plan your allergy testing.